Hey guys, as you can see on the screen, this mail was sent from the Python program which I have developed. So in this video, we'll see how we can send a mail which is using my local Outlook using the Python. So for that, I am using the package called Win32. So how we can install that Win32 package? Simply use this command pip install pywin32. Go to your command prompt and paste this will automatically install your package. Once that is done, what you need to do, you need to switch on the local secured apps settings. So for that you just need to go to the Google and type less secured apps Gmail. This will automatically take you to this setting. Make sure that you are logged in properly with the credentials. This one is same as the Outlook credentials, then only it will work. Okay, so once this is done, let me get started here. So let me select one empty file. Here I'm using Win32, right? So Win32 client as Win32. Then I need to initiate my Outlook in this case. So Win32 dot dispatch, I'm using Outlook, right? So Outlook dot application. Then here using this, I need to create a mail. So Outlook dot create item of 0. Then the steps are same as the one that we are going to send originally. So when you click on the compose means I'm creating this email initiation, right? So this is a meaning. Then once you click on the compose, you have you have subject, you have the body, right? So similarly I'm going to apply the same things here. So I have mail dot to, that means to whom you are going to send the mail. Let me use something like my another email id at the rate gmail.com. Then you have the subject, right? So mail dot subject as, let me say, test application test, let's say test mail using Python. Then you have the body, right? So mail dot body is equal to, let me use hello world Python. Then simply you can, so it's like I have typed my I have typed my subject, my body, then I click on the send. So similarly I use this one, send. Okay, then save this. So let me save here. Okay, so send mail demo is my application. Okay, then I'll go to the command prompt here and type Python send mail demo, send mail demo. Yeah, so there is some issue here, no module named Win32 client. Okay, yeah, Win32 com client should be com, then it should be done here. Okay, so let me go here and refresh this. Now you could see this one, test mail using Python, which is a subject line that we have sent, so that we have used. So I got the subject line properly. Then click on this hello world Python, which is a subject, sorry, which is a body, right? So if you want to send it in HTML format, you have HTML body, Let me use something like h1. So what happens is, like, it was using the heading. H1 is a heading of h1 type. There were 5 to 6 heading types are there, h1, h2, h3, like that. So these are the top heading. Then if I just save this and let me use some command, something like print message sent successfully, so that I'll come to know this is sent successfully or not. Now it is done. Now close this and refresh it again. I think it's still refreshing in the top. Now you could see we got it. Now you could see we got it with a proper heading which I have used as a HTML tags. So if you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section for more on this topic. Thank you so much for watching.